morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Y'all, it's early today. It's early. We have so much to do today, y'all. So I'm gonna bring y'all along with me while I get it done. I'm gonna just brush this hair and put it into a ponytail this morning because we don't have a whole lot to do as far as we're not really leaving the house today. We're just gonna get a lot done around the house, y'all. We're gonna do some laundry. I have to clean the refrigerator out. We did a grocery haul. So yeah, y'all will get to see all of that today in today's video. I'm not sure when it's gonna post, but yeah, it's early, y'all. Do I have my watch? Yes. It's 7:19. Y'all see the time? 7:19 this morning. Yes, and we're up early. I am off today. Let's get some things done around this house. I know this video will post on a Sunday. I'm just not sure which Sunday, so let's go ahead and get started, y'all. I'm not doing nothing special to this hair today. We just gonna wet it a little bit to kind of put it in, make it look a little bit better, you know. And all I'm going to do is just put some water on my hands. And there you go. Yeah, Alexa had to come in and say a few words this morning. So I had to make sure I got her out of there, you know. She talks at the time she feels like talking. And I'm going to put some moisturizer on my face, y'all, because we're not doing any makeup. Some Clinique. It's the Clinique Moisture Surge. Y'all know I don't have my glasses on yet. I'm gonna put them on so I can't really see, but that's what I'm gonna be putting on my face, just to moisturize so we can get this day started. Y'all, I love it when I'm up and I'm productive. Feels good. So I've already sorted the clothes, so we're gonna head to the laundry room and get these clothes put in, get a load of clothes put in, and then we'll head to the kitchen to get something done. Haven't had any breakfast yet, so I'll probably take a break to have some breakfast. But I don't know if I'm gonna bring y'all along for that. Y'all don't need to see all of that. Y'all don't care what I need for breakfast, do you? It's nothing major, I promise. Nothing major. Let's get started, y'all. So y'all, we made it to the laundry room. I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple of pods in because we're doing one load of colors. And some scent beads. And I'm gonna put some Downy softener in there. Y'all know what? I'm gonna take one of these pods out because it's not enough. You see, it's not even halfway. So I'm gonna just use one pod. I don't know why I put two in there, but yeah, we'll use that another time. No need to waste a pod. We're gonna wash these on normal, warm, high, and normal soil. Let's get to moving, y'all. Herbal tea. I just like peppermint tea, and I like jasmine tea. I haven't tried too many other teas. I know that I did have some suggestions from y'all about other teas, but y'all, I'm so particular about taste that I'm kind of scared to just try any tea. That's my problem with eating healthy as well, y'all, because it's so many things that I just don't like. I am a very, very picky eater. use the honey for my sweetener. And y'all, I know it's fall. I need to bring out my fall mugs. I have a lot of Rae Dunns, y'all. I'm over Rae Dunn, honestly. But that's all I have. So guess what? That's what we'll be using. So y'all, I did decide to go ahead and bring you along for breakfast. I said I'm hungry, so I better eat before I really get started with everything that I have to get done today. Therefore, I did go ahead and put me some bacon in the oven. I like to put my bacon in the oven because I don't fry bacon very well on the top of the stove. So I had 3 slices of bacon, and my mom had 3 slices of bacon, 1 boiled egg, and also 1 piece of toast. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up my breakfast and finish up my tea. And then we'll go ahead and move on and get, well, actually what we'll be doing is going back to the laundry room because I heard the washing machine go off. So it let me know that it's ready. Okay, so y'all, I'm gonna wash some colored towels now. I wanted to wash whites, but we're out of Clorox, so I'm gonna have to get some. And I'm gonna use 2 pods because we're washing towels. And scent beads will use a whole thing of the scent, well, that much of the scent beads for their towels. I like for the towels to really smell good. Not that I don't like for my clothes to smell good. And y'all, I don't use dryer sheets at all because they make me itch. I've tried for many years to figure out what makes me itch, and it was the dryer sheet, so I can't use those. I'm gonna go ahead and use some laundry sanitizer because they're towels. It's been a while since I purchased some laundry sanitizer. I did go ahead and pick up some because we actually needed some. And the washing machine does have a towel setting on it, so I'm just going to wash it on towels. We're going to go high spin, and we're going to do regular normal soil, and we're going to wash them on warm. Now let's do hot for the towels. Let's do hot. Okay, there we go. So y'all, I have a quick Sam's Club grocery haul for y'all. We did get some baby back ribs, $17.71. That's 5.9 pounds net weight. We got some shrimp and corn chowder. We did get a Angus beef roast. This was the top round roast, y'all, for $17.04. And that total weight on that is, oh, it's 2.63 pounds. We got 2 things of the orange juice. We did get the ground Angus beef and patties. We got 2 things of the chicken wings. It's 2 things of these. And this one was $11.91. And that one was $9.94. The Hefty Supreme plates, y'all, 250 count. I'm not really a big fan of paper plates, but Mom was like, she's not washing the dishes, so yes. We got the bacon, the hickory smoked bacon, and it's actually 3 pounds because there's 3 of these. The premium gold Idaho potatoes. A large things of the fun size Snickers. 70 pieces, y'all. Y'all see the calories on that? Ooh, okay. We got the Thomas bagels in plain. 2 of those are the quantity. We did get the Bunny burger, and it's actually 16 buns. Y'all know the artisanal Sara Lee bread is our all-time fave, so we did get 2 twin packs of that. The best place to buy this from is Sam's Club, y'all. And we did get the 32 equal extra mega rolls, 132 regular of the Charmin Ultra Soft. And that's everything from Sam's Club, y'all. Okay, so y'all, here's a Walmart haul. So we have the extra sweet little ear corns. It's 12 of these. 2 packs of the Great Value baby lima beans. The diced avocado. 2 of the Great Value broccoli florets. We have 1 cabbage. The organic spring mix. And here is a lettuce, because I like to mix the 2 when I make my salads. Here are some mini cucumbers. I want to try the TikTok viral cucumber salad, so that's why I have that. Also, here is some garlic. It's actually 3 bulbs of the garlic cloves. I like fresh garlic, y'all, whenever I'm cooking. Also, we have 1 green bell pepper, and we have the 3 bell peppers, the red, the orange. The red, I think that's supposed to be yellow, and the orange, but anyway, here's the mild cheddar, the Great Value 1 pound of the cheese. We always shred the cheese first, y'all. Here are 2 of the garlic knots. These are so good, y'all. They're really quick, like if you make spaghetti, lasagna, something like that, you can always have the knots with it. And here is the sliced brioche bread. I like to use this to make our French toast. We have 1 party size nacho cheese, the Doritos. And I love these here, y'all, the Fritos, the flavor twist, honey barbecue. These are really good too to snack on. Not the healthiest, but that's what we like. I got some bananas for my mom. I don't like bananas, y'all. I don't like strawberries either. I'm a little different. And then I got 4 cans. Well, it's actually a total of 8, but they come in a 4-pack, the cut green beans. And then we have 2 of the stewed tomatoes. I'm sure that'll be for something, maybe like chili or something when it gets a little bit cooler. We have 36, the 18 count equals 36, 2 large white eggs from Walmart. And we have a whole milk, a half a gallon of the whole milk. We like whole milk around here. Also, we have the sweet onions, the Vidalia, and I did get the minced garlic, and I got this for that recipe as well, y'all, for the TikTok viral cucumber salad recipe. I did get some soy sauce. I've been wanting to get some of this as well, but that's for that as well. Also, the rice vinegar, that's part of it also. And I want to try to substitute whenever I make my tea, I want to use honey instead of using sugar, so I'm trying to stay away from sugar so much, trying to eat a little better. I still don't eat the best, y'all. So, and here we got a Great Value onion powder. We were getting low on that. We got some grits, the old-fashioned grits. Mom likes to make grits. We love bacon, y'all. So we got some more bacon. The Great Value is 2 of these, and they're 12 ounces each. Also, this was not supposed to be this, but they gave us the top sirloin steak. Okay, focus. And that was $13.89. So we'll have that one night. And then I got 2 of the extra lean ground beef. Also, by the way, y'all, I always place the order and then go pick it up, or they'll deliver. But to keep from having to pay for delivery, I'll go ahead and pick it up. We have 4 pounds of the sway fish, y'all. That lasts us for a good little while as well. And I think that's everything that we picked up from Walmart when they picked that up. So now that we finished the grocery hauls, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the refrigerator of what everything is that we have in here, which is a lot of stuff. So yes, that's what we're doing. And I also want to share with you that this is like a monthly grocery haul for us. The only thing we may have to pick up are maybe eggs, milk, little things like that. But this will last us a month, because keep in mind, it's just 2 of us. Yes. And the Sam's haul was almost $200. And then the Walmart haul was like $160. So yeah, we spent a good little penny. Y'all, I have been dreading cleaning out this refrigerator. So by now, you've already seen the grocery haul. So of course I didn't clean it out before we did the grocery haul. So I had to actually get everything in the refrigerator along with everything that needed to be cleaned out of the refrigerator, because it couldn't stay out, because it's like 3 days later that I'm finally cleaning out the refrigerator. So yeah. So now y'all know why I'm struggling. Y'all clean out your refrigerator before you do a grocery haul. Yeah. Yeah. Just a word of advice. I don't want y'all to go through what I go through. I just don't. Because that's all my fault. It really is. Okay, let's get into this refrigerator, y'all, and freezer to get it all cleaned out.
Even when my teardrops start to dry, even when the sun begins to shine again, taking all the advice there is and none of it has helped. Experience has made me
Empty.
You realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of love songs like never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Looking back on how I used to be, I always thought that love was made for me. Oh well, I was just as blue-eyed as the sky could ever be. Loving you has made me realize.
Okay, so y'all, here's a close look at the fridge, so you can see just how filthy it is. Yes, it's pretty bad, I know. So I'm gonna clean it out. This drawer is bad. It's bad, y'all. So we're gonna get it all cleaned out so that we can get things organized in this fridge, because it's bad. Yes, real bad. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this out and remove the ice and take all of the ice out. I like to do that pretty often. Okay, fridge, I know. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out, get rid of all that ice and let it make new ice. So y'all, this is everything that came out of the fridge. These are of course in the drawers. I'm gonna have to remove it out and get it all cleaned out. And y'all know it's several sections of stuff that I have to actually, that I did take out of the fridge. Yep, several things that I have to go through here. And here's what's left.
The pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. How much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Yeah. I'm going back to the table. I know they saving us up for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known. I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. How much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Yeah. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. Could be good. Then you fade. Then you fade. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. Could be good. Then you fade. Then you fade away. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. How much you're messing with me. 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 How much you're messing with me.
So y'all, now I'm just going around the kitchen and going through the different piles and different sections I have here. to find out what's garbage and what isn't. So that's what I'm doing now. So that's what you see me carrying that garbage around and switching it around so I can get all of the things that are going to be discarded. Of course, I have to talk to mom, so I have to find out what things need to go. I'm not one that likes to put pots in the refrigerator, so I'm sure you know who put the pots in the refrigerator. But it's okay. It's okay. You know, moms do whatever moms want to do. There's nothing we can do about it. And also, I don't like having to throw away food at all. I really don't, because food is just so expensive these days. So I do not like throwing away food. However, if it's been in there for almost a month, yes, it's time to discard it, y'all. It is time to let it go. And then some things I was able to put down the garbage disposal. Other things I just put right in the garbage can. And luckily, trash day was the next day. So this was perfect timing for me. And y'all, I owe you an apology. I have been just talking to y'all today, and I haven't even taken the time out to introduce myself. So if this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, my name is Taryn, and I do hope that you enjoy my content just enough to go ahead and click that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. And if you are new and you do decide to subscribe to my channel, please leave me a comment down below introducing yourself. I always love to reach out to my new subscribers. And also to my ride or dies, to the ones that have been rocking with me. Y'all rock with me no matter what. Y'all know how much I love y'all. I love each and every one of y'all to the moon and back. And thank you so much for always showing up for me. is all clean now. Now it's time to get everything back in the fridge and get it all organized. And of course, we still have to get the freezer done, but with everything on the counter from the refrigerator, there was not room for the things for the freezer. So I'm not going to bore you with taking everything out of the freezer, but I will show myself cleaning out the freezer, and then I'll show you once I get it organized.
Let's fly away, just you and me. I need a little break from the city. It's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe. And you deserve to see the world. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. 'Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you, paradise.
Okay, so y'all, this is what it's looking like before, and I'm going to take everything out, and then I'll come back and show you what it's looking like after, and then we'll get it cleaned out. So y'all, here's everything that came out. I did try to group everything together to make it easier once I organize it inside the freezer. So it kind of gives me an overview of how I want to organize everything. So I hope this makes sense to you. If you have a lot of food or anything, it's best to group it together when you take it out, so that way you can go ahead and organize it better when you get it in the freezer. Yes, there we go. So let's get this freezer cleaned out. So here's the before. This is what it looks like once I took everything out of it. You can see that it is not clean. This is why I like to zoom in for y'all, because a lot of times you can't really see how dirty something is. And only if the camera would just stay focused, y'all. If only if it would stay focused. And then that's the bottom. The bottom really looks bad. So let's get it all cleaned out. And this right here, I don't know what this is. We're just gonna take it out and get that in the trash. So we'll get that cleaned out also. So let's get to it and see this, y'all. Yes, I have to really clean this freezer. Yeah.
Darling, I would die for you. Tell 1,000 lies for you. Love you like the ocean. Love you in slow motion. Anything it takes to make you stay. But I can't rely on you. Doesn't matter what I do. You say you need a time. I think you mean a buyout. 'Cause it's pretty clear you're on your way out. And though I understand it's hard sometimes to make up your mind in these trying times, yeah, I just can't accept you leaving me when I'm overseas with the heart so heavy. Think that I deserve the truth for once, not a guilty tone, 'cause you're not alone, yeah. You said you wanna come home, but I know you don't. So this time I won't hear it on the phone. If you got something to say to me, then say it to my face. What it's all about, why you're bailing out. Think you owe me an apology. Just say it to my face. You're sorry. You're so sorry. You're so sorry. You're so sorry. You're so sorry. Say it to my face. You're sorry. And I quit my job for you. Even quit some friends for you. 'Cause you couldn't stand it, me all independent. So you had to have me for yourself. That was when I trusted you. When I could add up 2 and 2. When you promised we'd be together, you, me, forever. Now there's nothing left to lose. And though I understand it's hard sometimes to make up your mind in these trying times, yeah, I just can't accept you leaving.
Y'all, the freezer is all cleaned out now. Oh my goodness, it looks so much better.
On 'cause you're not alone, yeah. You said you wanna come home, but I know you don't. So this time I won't hear it all. My face, what it's all about, why you're bailing out. Think you owe me an apology. Just say it to my face. You're sorry. You're so sorry. You're so sorry. You're so sorry. You're so sorry. Say it to my face. You're sorry. This time I think I get it. This love was overrated. No more infatuated. And I blame it on you. I blame it on you. Yeah. This time I hope you get it. In love you shouldn't fake it. No, I'm old enough to take it. So just say it to me. Say it to me. So this time I won't hear it on the phone. If you got something to say